Welcome to another questions and answers video series, brought to you by the funeral program site. Today's question is, what is your funeral program knowledge base? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making great content, to equip you during a time of loss. Our extensive knowledge base system was designed for customer self-service. It is built into our online superstore, so you can get faster answers to a question before or after a purchase. We've created thousands of help articles and accompanying videos to provide you an immediate answer relating to funerals, our products and printed memorials. We strive to keep our question knowledge base up to date because we understand your time is limited. You can access our knowledge base system in a few ways. The first way is from any page on our website. On the lower right of any page, you will see a quick help bubble. Simply click and get instant answers to a question or issue you may have. We have also provided a link to our knowledge base system in the main navigation under videos, as well as within our footer area on every page. If you are not able to pull up an answer to your question, you can click the ask icon and type in your question or concern. We respond within 1 hour, and will include your question within our database for our future visitors to find, should they have the same inquiry. In case you are a visual learner, each answer offers an accompanying video. Any link reference will also be given within each answer for quick reference. We understand your time is valuable, so we encourage you to take advantage of our knowledge base. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time in another question and answers video series only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.